morning, viewers. Today we are going from New Delhi to Agra. Now Agra houses the famous icon of a building called the Taj Mahal. Now that's where we are going. At the moment we are on the expressway, which is a very fine highway non-stop up to Agra. It is one of the finest roads ever made for the convenience of the tourists, whether domestic or foreign. I hope I can show you the Taj Mahal and the other areas in Agra and how interesting would they be with the history as to how it's relevant to us. Thank you. So viewers, we are continuing on the expressway to Agra. We have covered around 100 kilometers so far, and since we are cruising at a speed of about 95 kilometers an hour, I guess it will take another hour and a quarter to reach Agra, which is roughly around 210 kilometers from where we began. Interestingly, this highway also is known where the Indian Air Force plane had landed as a trial on the highway, and the same road houses the Buddha race circuit of F1. Unfortunately, the project has failed and there have been no further F1 except for one. There have been no races and that project lies dead, very sadly indeed. Rest, there's not much to say as we go along on the highway. We hope to have tea and snacks in the next half an hour or so, and I'll keep you updated. This is the snack point on the way that we have come to. This is the kind of restaurant establishment on the way. Yeah. This is the Jalebi snack of India, which is making on fresh basis for us, as you can see. This is the snack called Jalebi. We have come to a restaurant called Pinch of Spice, which is near the Radisson in Agra and next to the ITC hotel. Seems to be a very well appointed restaurant. We are now going towards the Taj Mahal after having lunch, and we are in a e-rickshaw. As you can see, this is an electric vehicle, and we have engaged the services of a tour guide who will explain us the fine aspects of the Taj Mahal, and I'll update you as we go along. These are all the shops as you see on the way to the Taj Mahal, and you can see the handloom shops and everything, and we proceed towards the Taj Mahal now. Viewers, we have now entering the place, and we have engaged the services of a local tour guide. His name is Mr. Gagan. There he is. He's a local Agra man, and he's going to tell us about the Taj and explain all the fine aspects. Thank you. Shah Jahan's first wife was called Fatehpuri, and the second wife was Akbari Begum, and this is her tomb. This is also her tomb created over here, and she's buried here. That's what the guide is telling us. This is the entry to the Taj Mahal. As you see, it's written here, Taj Mahal entry, and there are all the tickets over here. It costs 60 rupees per person to enter. 60 Indian rupees. Okay, and this is the entry point. The forecourt of Taj Mahal with 3 entrances, which are over here, as you can see, and the third wife of Shah Jahan was called Mumtaz Mahal lovingly, and we go ahead and tell you further. Thank you.
ठीक है ना, इसको लोकल टूरिस्ट गेट बोलते हैं, इसको वीआईपी गेट बोलते हैं अभी में। और 20,000 वर्करों ने 22 ईयर में बिल्डिंग कंप्लीट कर। ताजमहल कंस्ट्रक्शन होगा 1631 1653 कंस्ट्रक्शन कंप्लीट।
It was completed in 1653, the construction of Taj Mahal. Yes. And how much was the cost? Can you tell me, Mr. Tour Guide, what was the cost of making Taj Mahal in 1653? Please tell me the figure. How many rupees?
इस टाइम पे 4 करोड़ रुपए कॉस्ट है। 4 करोड़ 40 लाख।
He is saying it cost 4 crores and 4 lakhs. And today, if you evaluate the Taj Mahal in conversion terms as of 2021, it comes to around $1 billion. That's the cost of making the Taj Mahal. This is something for the ear. If you put the ear over here, you can hear some kind of echo. I would have thought this echoing system was helpful during namaz time so that people could hear it. This is the royal entrance to the Taj, as you see. बोलो और क्या है इसके बारे में?
ये आपको लेटर वगैरह दिख रहा है?
बोलो.
ब्लैक लेटर इज द ब्लैक ऑनिक्स फ्रॉम बेल्जियम।
ये जो black, you know, the black letters which you see is the onyx imported from Belgium, and that is still exists today. That is the beauty of it.
बस
First wife वो है.
फर्स्ट वाइफ का सफेद डोम, उसकी
First wife
कवर उसमें है।
dome is over there, and the second wife dome is over here. That's what the tour guide is telling us, you see. And this is the intricacy of the words and everything, calligraphy being done here in the Persian language as far as. कौन सी language है? Persian.
अरबिक लैंग्वेज।
In Arabic language, all this is written.
मुस्लिम फर्स्ट प्रेयर।
First prayer
morning
chapter
prayer.
for the morning prayer is mentioned on the stone over there. Such a beautifully done calligraphy. You can see how it was done. This gate design was made by Amanat Shirazi, who came from Turkey. Just look at the beauty of it. That's the beauty of from Turkey. There you see the great and magnificent Taj Mahal. That is the ecstatic beauty of the Taj Mahal, as you see in front, and it's unbelievable. It's so mystic, so magical, you can't believe it. It's just an exceptional dream-like structure which Taj Mahal was made by Shah Jahan. It's probably the most mystic, the most beautiful structure that exists on the face of the earth. The line of the fountain, as you see here, which is not functional at the moment, but these are the fountains as you see in front of Taj Mahal. On the right side, we have Mumtaz Mahal, who is buried there, and on the left is Shah Jahan. Beauty of the symmetry is perfectly aligned. On the dome that you see, the minaret, little minaret, is in absolute congruence to the fountain. There's not a millimeter, not a centimeter difference. That's the greatness of the Taj Mahal. How they manage to calculate and calibrate the measurements is in perfect unity. So there are 16 gardens and 53 fountains here for the Taj Mahal. And these fountains are the original ones as built 450 years ago. They have not been replaced and they are still functional. Thank you. Of the Taj Mahal is 243 feet. And as
पिलर है टिल्टेड बने हुए हैं।
Yes.
165 फीट का एक पिलर है, 165 फीट का पिलर है।
the pillar, so as to say the minaret, the tower,
हाँ, टिल्टेड है
is
2 डिग्री।
tilted and is 245 feet in height, and they are tilted outwards so that in case of any calamity, any breakage or anything, the minaret will fall outward of the central dome, so it doesn't destruct the central part, the central dome where his love, Mumtaz Mahal, resides, so that there is no demolition or falling of the minaret on the Taj. This is a calculated, clever move to secure the Taj Mahal forever. Thank you. Below the Taj, there were 84 wells upon which, and the actual height was 243 feet from that point.
285 feet है वहाँ
And actually, it works out to 285 feet
रिवर साइड से.
on the river side, where there's a river flowing at the back. Now, I am going to ask the tour guide what's the name of the river. Name
यमुना रिवर.
is the Yamuna River, which flows behind the Taj. And I believe from my own research that there are a lot of brass coins under the Taj which take the water within them and they bring the cooling effect to the dome inside the Taj, which is a sort of an air conditioning system created so many years ago. There used to be a lot of music being played here during Shah Jahan's time. He was very fond of music and dance, and this is where it was played. The Taj was ideally constructed by and designed mainly by the Iranian architect called Mr. Afandi, Isa Khan Afandi. He came from Iran and he was the one who designed the Taj Mahal. This is the magnitude and size of Taj Mahal as we get closer and closer. Mumtaz was kept here in a temporary shelter with the various elements to ensure the body would remain okay till the Taj was fully constructed. This is the mosque on one side of the Taj Mahal, and what you see behind the Taj is the guest house for dignitaries, everybody to stay there. The stone that we see on the Taj is the malachite, which comes from South Africa. We'll try to show you more as we get closer and closer to the Taj.
कच्चा मार्बल होता है.
Yeah.
Strong नहीं होता है.
The marble here is from Makrana in India, which is the finest marble, and you see these engravings here with the special effect. That's how it is. And right now we are on the forecourt of Taj Mahal, and that's how we've come from the other side, and we've come to this side, and we are going further.
डिस्टेंस दोनों तरफ से सेम है. रॉयल गेस्ट हाउस एंड रॉयल मॉल.
We have arrived at the upper deck of the Taj Mahal by walking up, and as you can see the structure, which is amazing, and that's the opposite side of it. A lot of people on the courtyard here, and we are heading inside by having paid 200 rupees per person, and we'll be going inside now. This is the intricacy of the structure as you see on the Taj Mahal,
इनले वर्क.
and
इसको इनले वर्क बोलते हैं.
the etching and the engravement of the marble is of amazing quality. I mean, if you look at the structure here, there is not a difference between a fraction of a millimeter difference from left to right. That was the perfection done. That is the beauty of Taj Mahal. Look at it. The symmetry, the alignment,
Green is a malachite.
everything. There's the malachite over there, the green one. And
Black is a black onyx from Belgium.
and black onyx from Belgium.
Red is a coral. Coral for
And the coral in red
Surat.
from Surat in India.
Black is a black onyx from Belgium.
Onyx from Belgium. Look at the carving and the intricacy of the work here.
एक साइड है मेहता.
This is the Mehtab Bagh at the back of the Taj Mahal, so called the rear of the Taj Mahal.
इधर शाहजहां
And-
काला ताजमहल बनाना चाहते थे. ब्लैक
And
ताजमहल.
Shah Jahan wanted to make a black Taj Mahal on this side in front where you see.
शाहजहां का मतलब था एक white of the wife, black of the husband. एक अपने खुद के लिए black बनाऊंगा. तो
White for the wife and black for the husband. He wanted to make a construction like that.
तो उनके बेटे औरंगजेब के हिसाब से वेस्ट ऑफ मनी हुई थी. उसने कहता 8 साल के लिए अरेस्ट कर दिया था शाहजहां को. शाहजहां वहाँ से हीरे से ताजमहल
And due to
लेकर
the financial burden and debt of Shah Jahan, because this Taj Mahal cost much more, 10 times more than the money they had, which had led to his son Aurangzeb objecting to the expenditure, and in view of the excessively spent money, his son Aurangzeb jailed him over there for almost a
Jasmine
period
Tower.
in the Jasmine Tower. That's where he was jailed. And we know very well that he died there as a lonely man because nobody was there and he was not able to even look at the Taj Mahal, except that a mirror was put over there which he could only observe in the rear on his own. That's the history of Shah Jahan over here. Yeah. These structures, they are in a 3D formation, and we imagine that they might be deformed to one side, but in reality it's not so. As we come closer, we find that the 3D effect is perfect, and that there is nothing of that sort, that this would be bent on one side or something. That's the beauty of the Persian architecture. These are the such fine engravings as you see, and the workers And look at the zigzag here. It was in perfect formation. Not a millimeter error. If there was a slightest of the error here, the worker would be, beaten up, or he wouldn't be able to work anymore. This is the greatness of Taj Mahal, that perfection and symmetry form the whole structure. And that took almost 17 years to build. Just imagine. This is the VIP guest house next to the Taj Mahal where the visitors would stay. The opulence and everything would be next door. That's what it's about, okay? Some renovation going on there. And we might be just about concluding the visit to the Taj Mahal. It's been a very tiring day, a very interesting and exciting day to see Taj in its glory. Its excessive beauty, unmatched, unparalleled anywhere in the world. One of the 7 wonders of the world, as you see. Something which cannot be replicated ever. It can be replicated in terms of material, but not in terms of love. Extreme love of an emperor, Shah Jahan, for Mumtaz. People can spend millions, okay, 2 billion, 3 billion, but where's the love? That is only the king's love, and we cannot replicate. That's the beauty of Taj Mahal. Just look at it. We honor that, we respect that. Viewers, my visit to the Taj Mahal is over.
Yeah.
It's been wonderful. The tour guide has been nice. He had a lot of valuable information. And as you can see in the evening, the birds are going home. And I'm going home as well. The day is over. Sunset has taken place. And I've learned so much about the Taj Mahal. And I hope you like what you are seeing now.